High atop the cliffs of Moher lived Finny, a puffin with bright orange feet. It was St. Patrick's Day, but something felt wrong. The banners were turning white, and even the shamrocks looked sad. "The leprechaun's luck is gone!" cried Finny. He remembered the stories of a magic four-leaf clover. If it's lost, then Ireland will lose all its green. Legend said the clover was at the end of a rainbow. Finny took to the sky, and there it was, a faint, shimmering arc. "I must find it," he chirped. He flew over rolling hills and sleepy villages. The land seemed to sigh, waiting for its luck to return. Finny pressed on with determination. Finny landed beside a mossy rock. There sat a wise old sheepdog with kind eyes. "Why do you follow the rainbow, little Puffin?" he asked gently. "I seek the leprechaun's clover!" Finny exclaimed. "Without it, Ireland will stay gray!" The sheepdog nodded thoughtfully. "Firmly, answer my riddles," said the sheepdog. "Challenging, prove that you're worthy of restoring Ireland's luck." Finny puffed up with pride, proudly. "I'm ready!" "I have cities, but no houses," said the sheepdog. "Forests, but no trees. Rivers, but no water. What am I?" Finny frowned, deep in thought. Suddenly, Finny's eyes lit up. "A map!" he cried triumphantly. The sheepdog wagged his tail, impressed. "Correct." "What has hands but cannot clap?" the sheepdog asked next. Finny tapped his beak thoughtfully. What could it be? Finny shouted, remembering the ticking sounds from the village. The sheepdog smiled. "Very good." "Now, the last riddle," the sheepdog said, his eyes twinkling. "What comes once in a minute, twice in a moment, but never in 1,000 years?" Finny blinked, puzzled. He thought and thought, his little brain working hard. What could the answer be? "The letter M," Finny shouted, his eyes wide with realization. The sheepdog leapt to his feet, barking joyfully. "Joyful, you have answered them all." "Follow the rainbow to its end," the sheepdog barked. Finny thanked him and flew towards the shimmering colors. He reached a tiny glen hidden from the world. There, among the clovers, glittered the lucky four-leaf clover. Finny picked it up gently. A warm glow spread through the air. The green returned to the fields, and the river sparkled. Back at the cliffs of Moher, the leprechaun appeared, no longer grumpy, but smiling wide. "Thank you, Finny," he said. "You saved St. Patrick's Day and all the luck of Ireland." The leprechaun danced a jig, his green hat bobbing merrily. Finny chuckled. "I just followed the rainbow and a little determination." The leprechaun winked. "That's all it takes." Every year on St. Patrick's Day, children remember Finny's brave journey. He became a hero far and wide. Wearing green showed Irish pride, and shamrocks reminded everyone of Ireland's rich traditions. And so, the magic of the four-leaf clover kept Ireland green and full of joy, all thanks to one brave puffin. Fun fact: leprechauns, the cheeky shoemakers, bring magic to the land and hide pots of gold. The end. Thank you for reading.